Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see how to create and publish web pages using blog. So what are the topics we are going to cover today? So we are going to see what is meant by blog and what kind of services are offered by blog in a free way, and creating a blog account, and then how to post the content to the blog. So these are the topics we are going to cover today. So first we will see what is meant by blog. A blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical or technical users for creating a personal web pages. So for example, even we can create a website for us. So that is in a free way. So for that, this blog is very helpful. So it is a discussion style site. So we can post our comments, we can share our ideas about any topic. Okay, so that is like a discussion style site, or we can say online personal diary also. Blog, otherwise we can call it as online personal diary. So our personal informations, like we can share our photos and we can share our views related to any topic. Okay, so for that purpose the blogs are very useful. So blogs are similar to an online personal diary. So like normally a person can maintain his information in his personal diary. So same way, instead of using a paper and note, okay, so he can use online, that is website. No, through website everyone can maintain their information, personal information. So for that purpose these blogs are very useful. So blogs are similar to an online personal diary and it is simple to use. So we can use a blog to convey the messages. We can pass on the messages about the events and about announcements, any event if you organized. For example, a school annual day function events, no, those photos and videos we can share it in a blog. And announcements also, anything if you want to make to our family, friends, or any other persons, no, we can make announcements with the help of our blog. Okay, so news also we can share, we can pass on, and then reviews. Okay, so for these purposes we can use the blog. So blogs are usually managed using a web browser and with an active internet connection. So without these two things, we cannot able to view the blog, or we cannot post any content in the blog. Okay. So blogs are usually managed using a web browser. So you know what is meant by web browser? It is a software which is installed in our computer. Like example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, all those are examples for web browsers. And it requires, blogs requires always active internet connection. We should have internet connection, then only we can post our pictures and information into the blog. So we can also use offline blog softwares. So we will discuss this offline blog software in the next video. We can also use offline blog software to create the content first, and later we can publish the content when an active internet connection is available. So offline means, you know what is meant by offline. There will not be any net connection. So in that case we can use those kind of softwares, blocking softwares. Example, Cumana is one kind of offline block software. So we can use that software to create the content first. We can create the content first, and after later on when we get the internet connection, we can post that content or we can publish that content in that blog. So for that purpose the offline blog softwares are very helpful. So there are hundreds of websites are available which are offering blog service for free purpose. Okay, so examples are popular blogs include some of the popular blogs which is offering blog service for free purposes are www.wordpress.com, then blogger.com, then blog.com, then weebly.com, blogsum.com. So these are the some of the websites are popular blogs which is used for providing a blog services in a free way. So WordPress is a free web service that we can use to create a beautiful website or a blog. We can make use of this WordPress website, no, web service to create a beautiful website or a blog. Then WordPress has support for themes also for customizing the design of a blog. We can give a background designs in a beautiful way with the help of this WordPress web service. Themes can make the blog or the web page look attractive. So normally in a mobile phone we'll make use of the themes. Okay, we will download some kind of online themes from the internet. With the help of internet we will download some themes and we will install in our mobile screen. No? So in the same way, for the background of the website or a blog, we can use many designs. So that designs only is called predefined designs only is known as themes. Okay, so for customizing the design of a blog, we can have a support feature like themes also in WordPress. Okay, so before we start using a blog, we need to create a account for a blog. Okay, so blog account is required. To create one, we need a web browser and an internet connection. So if you want to create a blog account, we need to have a web browser and the internet connection. So where we can go and we can open this blog account. So we need to type the following address, that is https://signup.wordpress.com. The same address if we are typing no /signup/. So if you are typing this address in the address bar of the web browser, then once you click on next button, we should now get to a page with the fields like block address. Okay, once you go into this page, we will get the details fields like this. That is, first one is block address, the second one is username, third one password, email address, language. So all these things we need to enter and we need to choose. Any options are available, we need to choose. For example, language and all, we will have some of the options. Many languages we can make use for posting the comment and for typing some comments also. Okay, so we need to choose which language we want to convey the information in a block, in our created block. So first one is block address. So what is meant by block address? We must provide a unique address, that is different address to our WordPress block. So never ever we will not have the same website address for all. Many websites are available worldwide, but we will not have same address for some other organization. Okay, so everywhere unique address only need to be followed. So unique address we need to provide for our WordPress blog. So this is the address which others will use to view our blog. So for example, consider our school website. So our school website will consist of some of the letters. So same kind of letters with the same order will not be repeated for other websites. So we can make use of that unique address in order to go to that blog and to go to that website to view the content of that website or a blog. So that for that purpose, that blog address is going to be used, or website address is going to be used. So blog address is the address which others will use to view our blog. So username, we should choose the username for managing the blog. So we need to give username for the blog. And password, for a security purpose we can go for the password, because anyone can enter. If we don't have this options, username and password facility, anyone if they know our blog address, they can go and they can create some unwanted postings and all they can create in our blog. So for that, to avoid that only, we are having this username and password facility. Okay, so securing our WordPress blog account with a strong password is important. So how we can provide a strong password? What is strong password means? A combination of uppercase and lowercase letters with some digits along with some symbols would be a strong enough password. So whenever we set password for even for email or for any accounts, if we are setting a password, we should set a strong password. How we can set the strong password? It should be a combination of uppercase letters. You know what is uppercase means? Capital letters and small letters, lowercase letters with some digits. We need to include some of the digits in between also. Along with some symbols, we can make a strong password. Next, we need to enter the password twice. Okay, then email address. We must provide our email address here. Then activation link will be sent to us from the WordPress after we click create blog. So once we enter all these details, okay, so activation link will be sent to us when means after we click on the create blog in that in that blog. Okay, so language, we can choose our own language for blocking from the list given. So it will give some of the list of languages. From that we need to choose whether we want to convey our information in English language or in our nature language. We need to choose. Okay, then click create block. On doing so, we will be sent an email for activating our block account. So to our email we will get on link. If we click the link, double click the link or open email and click on the activation link, we will go into the block. Okay, created block we will go. So open an email and click on the activation link. Once we click activate block, we will be redirected to our WordPress blog account. So automatically we will be redirected to our WordPress blog account. So we will see a web page similar to the one displayed below. So like this we will get the web page. Okay, so your account is active now. Now the blog is ready for use. Now you can start posting your comments and start posting your contents, and then pictures, anything you can post it here. So we will be presented with the address of our blog as displayed in the web page above, and we can either double click on the link or the type the address manually in the web browser. Either action takes us to the home page of our blog. So either we can go for double click on the link in the email, or we can type the address, whatever address we have given for blog. Now we can type that address in the web browser. Both also will take us to the home page of our blog. Okay, that is the first page. What is meant by home page? Home page means in any website or a blog, home page means that is a starting page of our blog or starting page of our website. So once we have created a blog, we need to submit the content that we want others to view. So why we want to create a blog or website? So we need to convey some information to others in form of content or in form of a picture or videos. If we want to share our information, no, we need to submit some contents. Okay, so then only others can view that content. So this process IDs are called posting content. So submitting content, otherwise called as what? Posting content. To create a post, we need to click on new post. So this option will be there. We need to click new post icon. Then a window similar to the one displayed below appears. Okay. So once you click on new post button, no, so this like one window will appear. Here you can insert the photo, and here you can give the title also, and you can type the content here. Like email, when we open, no, we will get one typing area. So same like we will get the typing area here. We can enter the contents here with the help of some formatting options, bold, italic, like that. Some formatting options, alignment options and all there. Bullets and numbering are there. Spell checks are there. Any options we want to use, we can make use of this area, and we can after typing the content, now we can click on this publish post in order to publish the content. Whatever post we have created here, now that we can post it with the help of this publish post. So next one, title. We must provide a title for our post. Choose a title that this post will focus on. So about which information or which kind of information you want to share to others, no, others want to view, no, so that title, no, you need to give correctly. So for example, if you want to share your school annual day related photos, or how the annual day went on, so all those things you want to share, means you can give title as school annual day function 2012. Like this you can give the title here in the title box. Okay, and then using the rich text box, we can type the content and that we want others to read. So this is the area, text area, rich text area. Here you can type the content which others want to view. Okay, once we have finished typing the content, we need to publish the post for others to see. So for that we need to click on this publish post. Okay, then click publish post to publish the content. To view the post, we can type the blog address in the address bar of the web browser. We will see our blog along with the post. Okay, so like this we can add an image also for our blog, and whatever post you have given, no, so in a title we have entered like my first post, that is appearing here. Then whatever content we typed in the rich text area, no, that is appearing here. Okay, so like this we can view our blog. So learning demo is the blog name. Okay, so we can also add photos, videos, etc. to the blog using the options available in the WordPress. See here, we have some of the options like post a photo, post a video, okay, post a quotes, and link also we can share here. So like this, like that, we have some of the options. We can make use of these options which are available in the WordPress. We can comment on posts published by others. So whatever content, no, which is published by others, no, so if they have some blog, if they are maintaining some information in their blog, we can also make a comment on that, on their posts. Okay, for that we have one option like leave a comment or leave a reply. So like this we have one box at the end of the blog, so we can make use of that box in order to type our comment. So usually the comment option is available towards the end of the post only. Okay, so look for the options such as leave a comment or leave a reply etc in the block to comment. See here, leave a reply, like this one area will be there at the end of the post. So we can make use of this box, enter your comments here. In this place we need to start typing in the comment once we get the cursor like this. Okay, so for example in WordPress the comment box is located below the post and labeled as, that is named as what, leave a reply. Okay, so here you enter your comment, and then here whatever the fields options are asked here, no, email, you need to type your email and name, and then website, and then finally you click on post comment. So here you need to enter your comment here, text box, type the comments about the post. So about whatever post we have seen, about that you can share your views with the help of this comment. And in the email field, no, that is required field, we need to type our email address, and then the name field we need to type our name. Okay, so in the website field we may type our blog address, optional, this is optional only. Which is required means the email and name we need to type compulsorily, and this is optional. If we want we can type, and if we don't want we no need to type this website or a blog address. Once we have typed the content in the comment area, we can review carefully, we need to go through it carefully, and we need to finally click on post comment. So once we click the post comment, we will see the block along with our comment. So whatever comment we have shared with the help of this leave a reply box, no, so that is appearing here. Nice, I am also new to blog, please help me know the things about blog, thank you. So like this we have seen, we can see the comment what we have typed for the post what we have viewed. Okay, so here we are seeing one button, that is reply. By clicking on this reply we can send again a reply to a commented person. Okay, thank you. With this session is over. We will see next in next video, no, we will see offline block software. Okay, that is Kumana we will discuss.